right, guys. Today we're going to use TinkerCAD to simulate our Arduino lesson. So when you guys have finished cutting your acrylic and getting your vase and soldering your LED strips together, you're going to program your LED strips. Today, what we're going to do is go through the basic TinkerCAD of all of this and teach you the basics of programming through a simulation, and then you'll be able to apply that once you get back in the classroom and you can solder your LED and you can build your program at the PC computer. TinkerCAD will work for your Chromebook as well, and you'll be able to download the codes that you use here. So what I'm going to do is give you a basic overview of how to use this program. You're going to then do a simulated tutorial where you will learn how voltage actually changes the brightness of the light. Now, I want you to think about what voltage is and be ready with an answer and with an idea for when you go into the tutorial. And then she's going to answer it for you. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to use TinkerCAD, and then you'll do your tutorial activity, and then I'll give you some basics on how we're going to apply this to your animated lights. Okay? So you'll click Join Now, okay? And if you go to Create Personal Account, you can sign in with your Google account. I'm selecting my generic school email one, and then that's going to bring me into the TinkerCAD environment. I'm going to click Circuits here, and then once we click Circuits, you'll see that I have a whole bunch of stuff open. That's okay if you don't have anything. But I'm going to click Create New Circuit, and that's going to bring me into the environment here. If you click Code, this is where we're going to code our Arduino. Start Simulation runs that code. I can't run it now because I don't have any components. So you got to add components here. Now to go back, you just click on code and it takes you back. Your first basic components that you're going to use for your test circuit is a resistor, which you'll just drag and drop. And it'll ask you which resistor you want. We want 1,000 ohm resistor, okay? We're going to drop over our LED, okay? And it asks you, you can give everything names. It helps you in your programming, but because we're only using one, I'm not naming anything. We'll need a breadboard, okay? And I'm just dragging and dropping that in there. And we'll need an Arduino, okay? The other thing you might be thinking is that you need wires too, right? So how you put these on the board, we're just going to drag them onto the breadboard here. And if you'll look, okay, I'm dragging my LED and dropping it onto the breadboard. Now, let's say I want to connect this ground with my grounding here on my breadboard. What I'll do is click that red square that shows up and then hold it down and a wire appears, and then click again. You can decide what color wire you want your things to be. It's up to you. You want orange because you like orange, or I like turquoise. And so let's say you wanted to connect your LED to your pin here, which you'll just drag and drop, and that creates a wire for you. Now, let's say you didn't want that. You can click on it and click trash, and that goes away up top. Or you can click on it and then click delete, and it also goes away. Okay. Now let's go back and look at that code. In the tutorial, you're going to first use this block code, and then she's going to show you how it converts into text. And we're going to mainly use text code for our animation project. So make sure that you pay special attention to that. So now, and if you want the code to go away, just click this blue box, okay? and Start Simulation puts the code in. Now, right now, it's not doing anything because I don't have any wires connecting anything. So let's stop the simulation, and I'm just gonna throw some wires in here. And they may not work. I'm just throwing some in here. Okay, guys. And maybe. So what happens? Nothing, because I don't have it quite connected well. And that will happen as well if you are not connecting it well. What you'll need to do is follow along closely. You're going to build the circuit from the tutorial in TinkerCAD, and then afterwards you're going to submit your circuit that you've built and answer some questions about it. Please let me or Mr. Whitloff know if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with you as we continue on throughout this lesson today.